Internet use has increased worldwide every day. Today, I will give you 5 keys to attract new clients for your program. Key number 3, Google My Business. Thing I like from Google My Business, it's a good way for you to reach new clients. You have your profile, you can put fresh photos, you can also add special offers and promotions. So now let me show you my screen and you will see my page and also my profile.
So if you go to Google search, I'm gonna put Bilingual Learning Center. It's already here. I'm gonna click in the pictures. Make sure that when you post pictures, they look good, that everybody, oh my gosh, I want to go to this place to see. This place looks super clean. What you're trying to do with these pictures is inviting the family to come and check me. And what I like from this one, also parents are able to see your address, how long are you open. So from here they can go to your website, they can get direction. The other good things that they are able to see here are the reviews, and that is something that I really like. Yes, not all the time you're gonna get good reviews, you might get a bad one. The more good ones you get, it will really attract new fans. Now let's go to Google My Business. Here you're gonna be able to see how it looks, the whole profile, and this was my last post, and here I'm able to see also my last review, and also I can reply to the person who wrote me a review. And I haven't complete all this one, is still under like 85% I complete. And as you can see, it's also shown how many people search the views and how many people use the map. And then here also shows about example for you to do posts. Google My Business is a really nice way to promote your business for free, and also you can open a website too, and they can also give you a code. Wow, I didn't know about this. Look, right now I'm learning with you guys. This one will be $12 if I go and I open one here, and they are showing me how it will look my website. So I'm gonna check this later on when I'm done doing this video, because it has a lot of information. I didn't know that they can also do a website. How is everybody doing? It's too much information for just one day. I will do my best to be quick.
Key number 4, design a website. Something simple. It doesn't have to be with a lot of information. Write who you are, your philosophy, the program that you have. Put a lot of pictures from your place, pictures with you with a kid. The most important thing is to create something that is going to show more information, and it's going to attract more clients. That's what you want, especially right now because of the quarantine. Many of us, we need to make more marketing, more than ever. If before we had a waiting list and today we don't, this is the good time for you to start marketing. And when you are ready, I will give you the name of the guy who's helping me. He's awesome, he's patient, and he's not expensive. You're gonna be spending less than $100 to have just a simple and fun website.
And let me show you my website. Are you guys ready? So this is how it looks. My logo. A website will really help you to attract new families. My website is something simple. It was done at the beginning. I used Wix.com, but then I found somebody who really helped me to design. I really like this website because I'm able to put a lot of pictures, and then also tells you about the program. It's very simple. So it tells you about the program, and then here in the gallery picture, which is my favorite part, here's the gallery. So as you can see, there is pictures here. Also, this is the other website that I used it when I created my first website. It's called Wix.com. You are able to create amazing websites. Here also tells you, you can also check how much it's gonna cost you. I believe that hosting is free. I remember paying mine very little. There are so many templates for you to choose. So if you put here like daycare, one example, you're gonna get a lot of choices. I really like this one. If you type daycare, you're gonna be able to see all the templates, and they have really nice one. I chose this one for mine at the beginning, and right now I like this one. And there are many options. If you don't like this one, you can also go Daddy. I had to use that one because the person who is building my websites, he recommended me to use this one. It will be important to contact somebody who already has the experience and who is a professional in building websites. I will also post the information of the guy who helped me in case you guys need somebody.
In my last key, use Yelp and create an account. Yelp is a great tool for you to have a free listing. Millions of people on Yelp are always looking for business like yours. So show them why they should choose you. The clients can check you, can check your reviews, can also check your pictures, and can see everything about your program. Every single time somebody calls me and they are looking for childcare, I always ask them, how did you find me? Like from 10 people, at least 8 of them found me through Yelp. Yelp also has an advertising page where you pay money by day and also by clicks. It's expensive, like to me it is, but right now they also have an option where you can like put a budget and say like, I don't want to spend more than $100 and this is how much I have. Soon I will be showing you my screen where you're gonna be able to see all the information. I haven't paid to advertise, but I do have a free listing in Yelp.
So now let me show you my Yelp. So I'm gonna try to find me. Okay, I'm there, as you can see. And this is how my listing looks. So I already have reviews. Here also. This is how a parent sees your place. Remember, a lot of pictures, and also you are able to see all the daycares here. And here more about me, more about the business, my hours of operations, what kind of payment I accept, and then here on the bottom, parents are able to see the reviews. Remember, reviews are so important. So ask your family if they can please give you a review. But this is a good way to get more clients and to attract more clients. Here they can also go to my website, my phone number, and get directions. And something that I really like from here is that now you are able to post pictures. You can also do upgrades. Same thing like Facebook. You can also do ads here. You can also advertise. So this is a way how you do it. Let me see. I'm gonna go next. And here they are charging you $15 per day. So if you see Facebook, like to me, the price was better and it's with 49 clicks. So that is something that I don't like too much from this, because to me it's more expensive if we compare to Facebook. And here you can also do an upgrade for $4. And you can also set your own daily budget. So this is how it looks mine, the Yelp for business, and this is how it looks for other families to see my place.
So this is the end of this video. I had so much fun doing it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like it, and make a comment. Hasta pronto. See you soon.